Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Akimmie Nicole, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make those viral faux fur slippers that's going around the internet right now for under $10, honestly. So as you can see, I posted the 5 things that you need in the description bar. If you already have a glue gun and glue sticks, then you're halfway there. Right now I am taking the 6-foot faux fur feather rope that I got from JOANN's, and I am measuring it up to my slippers that I bought from Old Navy for only $3, and I am going to cut the strip the same size of the front band on the slippers. I know it looks like there is a lot of feathers like falling off, but trust me, it's only because I cut it, and of course when I cut it some of the fur came off with it, but it's going to be fine. Once I cut it, I just want to find the rope and really get the glue on the rope as much as possible, because if not, I'm just going to be gluing the fur and the feathers to the slipper. So I am going to be doing it piece by piece, and I'm not just going to put one long strip of glue across the front, because this glue dries very, very fast and it's very hot, and it is a really strong adhesive. I'm using the Gorilla Glue glue sticks, so it's pretty good, but it does dry fast, so I want to do it piece by piece. So once I finish this strip, I'm just going to cut 3 more strips the same size and literally do the same process. It took me like 10 minutes tops. So I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video. You can watch the rest, and it's literally me repeating this step over and over again.